so the event we're going to is the 4x4 Takeover in Disney. It's a Toys for Tots event. Basically, they're going to have 4 different classes: the SxS Class, the side-by-sides, or whatever those things are, stock class, then the mod class, then the beyond class. I'm just going to go there and be the voluntary recovery vehicle if anybody needs a tug or a tow or a flip. For obvious reasons, my truck weighs a lot. Some of these vehicles are actually not super light, so nice to have a recovery vehicle that for the most part can go where it needs to go and is heavy enough to run a line off of, or use the 17,000 pound winch right there to give somebody a tug. I also have the 12,000 in the box there for the front, just in case, because you never know. Should be a lot of fun, the event, and we'll just see how it goes. So we're going to be taking out something new this trip. You might have seen little clips of this in the background. I had to sell my Wrangler, tax man came knocking, and I like to not owe them any money. So sold the Wrangler, paid off some other debts, which was really nice, and was able to free up a little bit of that cash to pick up something else, a Jeep Liberty. This isn't your average Liberty, it's the CRD, the 2.8 liter diesel, so it's running about 160 horses and about 285 foot-pounds of torque. Lots of fun. Put a 2.5-inch lift on it from Skyjacker. Did the JBA, upper control arms, all new ball joints, new shafts, new steering rod ends, new wheels, new tires. It's a lot of fun to play with once I get it set up properly and get some skid plates and some LSDs in it. It'll be a very capable trail vehicle, and I like to represent the diesel thing. I've got this is a diesel, and my daily driver at work's like a 12-point-something liter diesel. So everything's diesel. Ready? I set these things at 16 and 15. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. How you doing?
Good.
Where's the media down there? Is it all the way down at the end of that main trail there?
For stock.
For basically everybody, where everybody's going to meet up.
So at 10:30 we will take off at stock first, and it's going to be as soon as you go into Tank Trap.
I haven't been here in years.
Okay. So right before the wall curves like this, there's an entrance.
Okay.
Right there.
I'll probably just wait and follow somebody.
Yeah. We'll be down there.
All right. Thank you. Ooh.
Oh. No, you ain't getting in there.
Put this in there.
You're gonna wait about 2 seconds before you.
Get the fucking door. I'm
No,
freezing.
not after that, dude.
I'm gonna take that thing.
So this is what they were gonna put you up against, all these things here, if you were to run. That's just hilarious.
Awesome, guys. Hey, hello, welcome. Thank you, guys. Woo! I'm going to advise all you guys that standing right here behind this last year, going up that hill, they launched over there on that far. So please be aware, guys, the kids over there, please be aware. If we have an accident, guys, everybody stay out of the way. We got plenty of qualified to get to them, okay? So, guys, go, hit your neck, get in line. This is simple. You're just like in school. Next stop. Here we go, guys. Enjoy. In 3, 2, 1, go. this starting line is moving now. Come on. The RZR guys, they're starting right here at the top of this hill on my left, and then we're gonna come down and back up to my right where you see my guy standing at up there. That's the finish line. I appreciate you guys' patience. This is a little bit new to us all, but either way we go, we're gonna have a good show. After this, we're gonna release for an hour break and come back and do the grand finale. We got some bouncers back there that's ready to send it. The mod class hill is right here. So this works out good. We're just coming right back. Don't forget to hit our food trucks up there. We had one with a flat tire, so hopefully he's coming, but they're here. In 3, 2, 1, go! That's broken.
fun day. I'm glad I didn't run this thing up that hill. We'd be dragging it back on a fucking trailer. Nobody ended up on their top today either. That's a good day. Just wrapped up a 4x4 takeover down here in Disney. Lots of fun. Nobody ended up on their top today. Somebody showed in every class. And somebody put on a good show in every class. So good times. I'm all aired up. The Jeep's all aired back up, and we're gonna head the last 50 miles back to the house. That's a wrap.